Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your email on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings and here as you will find it here you can update your email address, and that's it. That's how to update your email address on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.